Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting question from the chapter Coordinate Geometry of Standard 10. This is question number 9 from the exercise 7.2. The topic is section formula. Here question is, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining 2 points, A having coordinates -2, 2 and B coordinates 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. So just for sake of convenience, suppose this is a line segment AB joining 2 points A and B. A is having coordinate -2, 2 and B having coordinates 2 and 8. We have to find out the coordinates of the point so that the points divide this line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So for dividing the line segment into 4 equal parts, we need 3 points of division. Suppose this is point P, this is point Q, and this is point R. Point P, Q and R, suppose, divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. And here we have to find out the coordinates of these points P, Q and R. Suppose P has coordinates XY, Q has coordinates X dash, Y dash, and R has coordinates X double dash and Y dash. Here, what is given? Point A having coordinates -2, 2, point B having coordinates 2, 8. Secondly, this is given that points P, Q and R divide line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Clear? This is given. This much is given in the question. And here we have to find the coordinates of P, Q and R. Here, for finding these coordinates, we can use section formula, which we have discussed in previous videos. So any point divides AB in the given ratio, suppose m:n, then point P will have coordinates Pxy is equal to, this is section formula, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Correct? Where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the coordinates of the points joining. So let us use this formula here. First of all, we will find out coordinates of point P. Here you see, here ratio is AP is to PQ. Here AP is to PQ is 1:1. PQ is to QR is 1:1. As well as QR is to RB is 1:1. Because PQR divide this line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So what will be the ratio of, so AP is to PB is equal to how much? This is 1 part and this side there are 3 parts. So this is 1:3. Suppose this is m:/n. correct? And for the sake of convenience, let us suppose that coordinates of A is here x1, y1, and coordinates of B is here, suppose x2, y2. We are taking these coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 to make convenience for using this formula here, correct? So first of all, we will find out the coordinates of point P. So therefore, coordinates of point P having coordinates x, y, using this formula, mx2 plus nx1. M means 1. 1 into mx2. x2 is 2. So 1 into 2, mx2 plus nx1. N is 3 into x1. This is x1. x1 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by m plus n means 1 plus 3. This is x coordinate. Similarly, y coordinate will be m into y2. my2. This is y2. y2 is 8. my2 plus ny1. n is 3 and y1 is how much? This is y1. y1 is 2 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 3. These are the values of x and y. Let us simplify it. We'll get the coordinates of this point P. So this is 2, 1 into 2, 2, and here minus 6. So minus 6 into minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4, and denominator is 4. The y coordinate, this is 9, 8 1 ja, 8 1 ja, correct. Here 1 into 8 is 8 and 3 into 2 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 divided by 4. So finally here we are getting this is minus 1 and this is 7 by 2. This is one answer. This is coordinate of point P. In place of x, y, we can write here minus 1 and 7 by 2. Now let us find out coordinates of point Q. So here Q having coordinates x dashed, y dashed is midpoint of AB, isn't it? This is two parts, this is two parts. So Q is midpoint of AB. Here Q is midpoint of AB. Therefore, coordinates of Q is equal to, in the introduction of section formula we have discussed that coordinates of midpoint we can find out with the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Similarly 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 8 divided by 2. And this is equal to how much? We are getting coordinates Q. We have supposed coordinates here x dash y dash is equal to how much? This is 0 by 2, that is 0, and this is 10 by 2, this is 5. This is another answer. Coordinates of point Q. Now we have to find out coordinates of R. Having coordinate x double dash, y double dash. Here you see R is midpoint of QB. So we can use the same midpoint formula here. We have got coordinates Q here. So R having coordinate x double dash, y double dash is midpoint of QB, and therefore coordinates are x double dash, y double dash is equal to, cut. We will use the same formula. X1 plus x2 by 2 means arithmetic mean sum of the coordinates of Q and B divided by 2. We have got coordinates of Q here. So first x coordinate will be 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2. And y coordinates 5 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay. 5 plus 8 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1, and 5 plus 8, 13 divided by 2. This is another answer. This is coordinates of point R. So in this way, we can find out coordinates of the point P, Q, R, those points which divide the line segment AB in 4 equal parts. Understood it? Very interesting, very simple. Okay. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.